Welcome to Antoma Infor YouTube channel, where we dive into the world of tech and security. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for aspiring cybersecurity professionals: how to learn ethical hacking. If you're interested in protecting systems and understanding vulnerabilities, stick around for a step-by-step guide on becoming an ethical hacker. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will set you on the right path. Step 1. Understand the basics of cybersecurity. Before diving into ethical hacking, it's essential to grasp the fundamentals of cybersecurity. Learn about different types of threats, vulnerabilities, and basic security principles. Start with resources like online courses, cybersecurity blogs, and introductory books to build a strong foundation. Step 2. Learn the basics of networking. Networking knowledge is crucial for ethical hacking. Understanding how networks operate, including protocols, IP addresses, and network layers, will help you identify and exploit vulnerabilities. Consider studying networking fundamentals through courses or textbooks, and familiarize yourself with tools like Wireshark for network analysis. Step 3. Master a programming language. While you don't need to be a coding guru, knowing a programming language is vital for ethical hacking. Python is highly recommended for its simplicity and powerful libraries. Learn how to write scripts and understand how code can be used to manipulate systems. This will be crucial when creating your own tools or analyzing existing ones. Step 4. Get hands-on experience. Theoretical knowledge is important, but practical experience is key. Set up your own lab environment using virtual machines or cloud services to practice your skills safely. Engage in Capture the Flag (CTF) challenges and practice on platforms like Hack the Box or TryHackMe to test your skills in real-world scenarios. Step 5. Understand ethical and legal implications. Ethical hacking is about protecting and securing systems, not causing harm. Study the legal boundaries and ethical considerations to ensure you're conducting your activities responsibly. Familiarize yourself with laws and regulations related to cybersecurity, and always have explicit permission before testing any system. Step 6. Earn certifications. Certifications can validate your skills and knowledge. Consider pursuing well-recognized certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, or OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional. These certifications will not only boost your credibility, but also provide structured learning paths and practical experience. To recap, start by understanding cybersecurity basics, learning networking, mastering a programming language, gaining hands-on experience, understanding legal and ethical implications, and earning certifications. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and cybersecurity insights. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Remember, ethical hacking is about making the digital world a safer place. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content on Antoma YouTube channel.